Kung walang
Laba.
Rice
Isa,
laba.
taka-taka yung dito. Kasi bawal sa ano, bawal sa Mr. Donut. Okay lang, you watch lang, okay lang. You're not supposed to hold this.
Every time she hits a match, she remembers all the good things that had happened to her. Ayan, look at the Christmas tree. Oh.
Labitin ba itong
When she puts all the candles, that's where the Christmas tree originated. Doon nagsimula ang Christmas tree.
Pinungitin?
Why? But
Yeah.
why did she get out of the house?
Ha?
Why did she get out of the house?
Because her parents died. She had no friends anymore. Ayan. So, to live, she had to sell matches and candles. Because no one wants to buy it naman. Wawa naman, di ba?